you recently questioned, bakit hindi napapabilis ito or napaprioritize itong House Bill 4453, which seeks to provide more powers for the ICI.
Yeah.
Are you not gaining enough support from your colleagues in the lower house?
We're still pinning our hopes on the new House leadership na baka naman because nga busy pa lahat sa budget. Pero we're already expecting na as soon as matapos na itong budget up to Monday, as I said, and lalo na magbe-break muna kami ng konti, and then magre-resume sa November 10. But even before November 10, pag-uusapan na talaga itong House Bill 4453. At yung Pangulo rin ay para ma-certify na rin as urgent. Kasi we have had a chance to already discuss it or to talk to the new speaker, Boji D. And he was very open, very receptive about it. At ang sabi pa nga niya, ay kakausapin din niya ang Pangulo. Although medyo I was a bit disappointed na hindi na isama doon sa LEDAC. We were expecting na kasama siya doon sa priority set of bills sa LEDAC. Pero hindi naman, it doesn't mean naman na hindi talaga ito ipupush ng House leadership. But like tomorrow or even on Monday, ay susubukan uli namin ang kakausapin si Speaker Boji D. Kasi diyan talaga makikita yung seriousness, lalo na ng Pangulo. Kasi nga, many are really clamoring to lalo na yung lack of transparency ng ICI. Gusto nga namin i-address yan dyan sa House Bill na yan. On top of really giving it more teeth kasi nakukulangan din kami sa kanyang mga powers. And then yung lack of transparency, that's really worrying, that's worrisome. Diba? Na hindi natin alam talaga. Hindi pwede yung sasabihin lang na ayaw nila ng magkaroon ng trial by publicity. But it really depends on how they handle the proceedings. And mas maganda yun, nakikita ng publiko para kung later, yung sa mga magiging findings and recommendations nila, makikita rin ng publiko kung tama yung mga magiging findings, recommendations, at wala silang mga pinagtatakpan.
So why did Malacanang miss that opportunity? Bakit hindi sinertify as urgent ni Presidente?
Yung House Bill number 4453, yun ang expected namin na isa-certify as urgent. We're not losing hope na gagawin pa rin yan ng Pangulo na i-certify niya as urgent. I think he knows na kulang pa ang powers ng ICI. And I think he knows na kailangan na yung, if it's a presidential creation, it cannot be perceived as truly independent. Iiba kapag it's a creation of law, of Congress. So umaasa pa rin ho kami, kahit medyo nadidelay yung action nila.